Let's go. Ooh, look at this beauty. Oh my god. So on this keyboard there's this little screen on it, and then there's a knob you can assign to any parameter in your DW. So guys, the pitch bend is actually a button you can press. Do you get? So I don't know how this is going to feel, and the modulation wheel too. Can't wait to try it out too. And then there's this sustain button, arpeggiator button, and then the scale and the chords button too. There are also buttons for you to control the octave of the sound you're using too. And then one of my favorite features of this keyboard is the wireless connectivity feature. You can actually connect the keyboard wirelessly through Bluetooth. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. I hope you found this video interesting. So here is the keyboard lying on my desk.